Hello friends, in this video I will show how to round corners in Illustrator. So very simple and easy way to round a corner. Select it. Now guys, here you will see the one dot. Press and hold shift and click here. It will activate. Now you can round a corner like this. Similarly, you can press and hold shift and this select this two dots. Now round. So just click here in this dot and drag. In this way you can round all corners. In this way you can round all corners of this shape. If you want to if you want to round any particular corner, so press and hold shift and click here this dot. Now just round the corner. If you have this border, so you can see the properly like this. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you. This is the way you can round the corner.